Welcome to MerryMilo. Let's sing and celebrate.
Bobo the baby climbed aboard a balloon boat tied with a golden cord. It bobbed on bubbles light and high, floating gently through the sky. The sail was stitched with stars so bright, it shimmered soft in morning light. Clouds waved by with cotton sheer as Bobo giggled ear to ear. A bunny in goggles gave a shout, balloon boat sailing all about the docking boats flew by with grace, tossing jelly beans into space. They passed a moon made out of cheese and waved at whales with flying skis. A bear played banjo in the blue, while rainbow birds around them flew. Bobo dropped anchor on a cloud. The giggles there were soft and loud. He shared his snacks with comet mice who danced on ice that smelled like spices. Starlight sparkled on his toes. The balloon boat gently dipped and rose. Bobo yawned and closed his eyes, dreams afloat in candy skies. Lulu leopard light on her paws, leapt through leaves without a pause. In a jungle bright and deep, she played a game called Leafy Leap. She bounded over ferny beds with butterflies around her head. She jumped from vine to mossy mound with giggles echoing all around. A toucan cheered from a leafy tree, Lulu leap again for me. She crouched down low with a tiny grin, then whooshed back up with a spinning spin. The monkeys joined with jumpy feet, bouncing to the jungle beat. A sloth clapped slow with the leafy cheer, and Lulu leapt from ear to ear. Leaves flew high with every spring, creating a leafy jungle ring. Sunbeams danced where Lulu flew through dappled green and skies so blue. At last she landed near a stream where flowers bloomed in a golden gleam. She curled up soft in leafy deep and purred herself to jungle sleep. Lulu leopard light on her paws, leapt through leaves without a pause. In a jungle bright and deep, she played a game called Leafy Leap. She bounded over ferny beds with butterflies around her head. She jumped from vine to mossy mound with giggles echoing all around.
Sammy the baby wore her hat, and off she rode where the zebra sat. With sunny skies and grassy plains, she waved at monkeys on candy canes. A giggly lion gave a roar, while hippos danced near the jungle floor. Giraffes peeked down with necks so tall, as parrots sang a rainbow call. Sammy clapped with squeaky delight, riding a jeep through morning light. Elephants spray a water stream, making the safari feel like a dream. The cheetahs zipped in stripy shoes, while turtles sipped on jungle juice. Sammy squealed at every turn, watching tiny bush babies learn. They stopped for snacks near the baobab tree, with sunshine cookies and zebra tea. The meerkats popped up one by one, playing peekaboo in the golden sun. As the sun set behind the hill, Sammy yawned and sat so still. The safari stars began to gleam, and Sammy smiled into a dream.
Twinkle toad with a glittery grin hopped in a boat that shimmered thin. A bubble boat, all round and clear, floated gently, soft and near. The stream below went swish and sway as Twinkle giggled all the way. With lily hats and rainbow beams, he sailed through soft and bubbly dreams. Paddled with a leafy oar, past dragonflies that twirled and soared. Fish peeked up with bubbly cheeks and gave him tiny playful squeaks. "Hello, moon," Twinkle called as glowing stars above him sprawled. The boat went pop and came back bright with twinkly trails of silvery light. He caught a bubble in mid-air, it sparkled soft with starlight flare. He laughed and bounced from side to side on his dreamy bubble ride. Fireflies danced and frogs all hummed, while sleepy owls just softly strummed. Twinkle sighed with a sleepy float, all snug inside his bubble boat. At last he reached the moonlit shore, with bubble dreams and giggles galore. He yawned and curled without a peep, and floated off to twinkly sleep. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with a curly tail. D is for duck with a wobbly wail. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who loves to play. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat on Bella's seat. I is for ice cream, creamy and sweet. J is for jelly that jiggles on a treat. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion with a sleepy sigh. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest with birds in flight. O is for owl with wide round eyes. P is for penguin in cold surprise. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow falling down. S is for sun that warms the day. T is for train chugging away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on a leafy lane. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for xylophone under the moon. Y is for yak with fuzzy feet. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat.